Alright friends, in this session we will learn about reverse method. If you want to reverse the order of the elements in a list, you can use the reverse method. So, reverse method will make the last element become first element. So, the second last element becomes the second element. And so on. It continues like that. The third last element becomes the third element. It simply reverses the list in place. So let's use it. Here, what's my list name? Numbers. And if I make like that, numbers, then reverse. So after that, if I print it, what will appear on the screen? You see, I take my list and reverse it. You know, it starts with 25 and then 55 and then 15. It continues like that. My first element became my last element here. So, similarly with the sort method, reverse method modifies the original list and returns none. Super. See you in the next lesson.